This video will show you how to access your Citrus College student email. First, go to my.citruscollege.edu. Type email into the search bar. Select student email from the list below. Sign in using your Citrus College single sign-in username and password. Your student email address was provided to you in the welcome email that you received from Admissions and Records when you were sent your student ID number. If you need help finding it, please contact Admissions and Records. Your initial password should be capital C, lowercase c, and then your 6-digit birthday. Once you're logged in, you can opt to have all of your school emails forwarded to your personal email account so that you're sure not to miss any important information. Simply select the gear icon on the top right and choose forwarding. Turn on the Enable Forwarding function and enter in the email address that you want your email sent to. You can also download the Outlook app to your mobile device if you'd like to check your Citrus College emails from a separate app. If you're having issues logging in or if you need help with anything related to your email, you can select the Student Account Issues button from the portal and submit a request for our text team to reach out to you for assistance with resetting your password or account.